Hello, this is Ahmed Saleh. You have been watching the news today about Trump winning the US presidential election. So today's video is about how is this affecting the stock market. Okay, so Trump had a sweep win. What does it mean? He won not only the presidential election, he won everything. He won the presidential election, he won the Senate, and he is most probably is going to win the House as well. So it's a great comeback. It's great remontada. I think it will be taught in the US election history, but this is a different topic. He went into the election with a slogan, let's build America again. Let's produce in America. Let's increase the employment in America. So he is very much pro-US, and this is most probably good for the stock market. Okay, so what do we expect? Based on his promises during the election campaign, he said he's going to reduce tax from 21 to 15%. That means that the companies will make more profit. And if they are making more profit, that means more earning per share and the stock will go up. He also promised to put more tariffs and he wants to protect the US manufacturing. He wants to deglobalize the economy and especially against China. So if you are moving business to US, that's a good news for the American companies and for the US stock market. And if you are putting restriction on Chinese company, then it's a bad news for the Chinese company. That's why you see the stock market today in US is climbing up and the Chinese market is going down. The Hong Kong HSI index went down today by 2% because of this. They were expecting that Trump will win. So it's a bad news for the Chinese stock market. If you are there, you know what to do. Okay. So more, he promised to have less regulations for the bank. He thinks that the US has too many and too much regulations that is hindering the innovation and productivity not only of the banks but also of all the corporates. So he promised to regularize the sector, the bank sector, and other sectors as well. So that's why you'll see the banks today has double-digit profit in the stock market. Okay. We also expect that we are going to see new highs in the cryptocurrencies. He's pro cryptocurrencies, not only on these cryptos, but also on the companies that are supporting this, like Coin, like MicroStrategy, like Robinhood. All these companies will flourish with the support that he's going to give to the cryptocurrency. We have seen from the first term that Trump is also allowing oil companies to have more exploration and more production of oil, and he doesn't believe into environment or the clean energy or something or all this stuff. He just want to go and produce more oil. Okay, and we can expect that the oil prices will go down, but the oil companies will flourish because they are going to produce more oil. And of course, because he's not pro-environment, he doesn't believe that of the global warming and all these things. So he is like you can see the solar companies today went down dramatically. Okay. Also, he is expecting to remove the subsidies on electrical vehicles. Some people will say this is bad. No, for Elon Musk, no, it's not. It's not. Why? Because the companies that are getting benefit from the subsidies is not Tesla. Tesla is a big company. They don't need subsidies. The small companies, the competition of Tesla and Elon Musk are the ones who are need these subsidies. That's why you see Elon Musk was supporting him. And today Trump was calling him Eli, he loves him, of course, and he's gonna make him happy, of course. That's why you see Tesla today is up 12-13%. Okay, so you can expect Tesla to go up and other companies to go down because of removing the subsidies. Now, with all this, getting production into US, having lower prices for oil, you expect that the economy is going to be good. When the economy is good, this means higher inflation. When we have higher inflation, it means that the Fed will not cut the rate that fast. And if the Fed is not cutting the rate that fast, it means we have a stronger dollar. That's why you can see the dollar today went up against the major currencies by 1-2%. So a big changes are happening today because of the Trump win. Okay, and with all what we have explained right now, this leads to better economy, and this is good for the stock market. Okay, so don't be afraid to go in. Tomorrow we have the Fed rate. I don't expect that the Fed will do anything different than the expectation. The expectation today is 100% rate cut by 0.25%. So I don't think he will do something else, because all these inflation and pressure will happen not now, but in the future. So there is also 3 rate cuts or 4 rate cuts next year. So I don't expect something to happen tomorrow. Next week as well, we have the inflation report. It should be good as well. So try to phase in, if you are not in the stock market today, try to phase in your entry. So you enter today with some, like, call it 25-30%. Tomorrow after the Fed rate cut, you enter with the 25-30%, and next week you enter with 25-30%. And don't be afraid. Like today we had a good day. Yesterday the market was also pricing that Trump will win, and don't be afraid of the high prices. Just go in, and as long as you have your stop loss ready, don't be afraid, because you have a stop loss. You are protecting against the downside. Okay, so overall, it's a good news for the stock market. You should be happy that Trump has won, and you should be now starting to go in the market slowly. And I wish you a profitable trade. Thank you very much.